This tutorial shows how to add the multiple address field and save it as part of your default search template, as well as how to use the field in search. The address block on search templates allows you to search multiple addresses on one street, but if you wish to search multiple streets, you will need to add the multiple address field. This field can be added to any search template and saved. To add any field to a search template, click the Customize button and select Fields. In the pop-up, you will have the available fields on the left, which are all the fields that can be added, and the selected fields on the right, which are the fields already included on the template. The easiest way to add a specific field is to search for it by typing into the Find box. As you begin to type multiple, the multiple address field will appear. Double-click the field and it will be added to the bottom of the selected fields list. From there, you can click and drag the field wherever you prefer it to be placed, such as by the address block. Next, click Apply. Although you have applied the field to the search template, you have not officially saved this change. To do that, you must click on Save Search. If this is the first customization you are making to the template, select Save Search As. In this pop-up, you will need to name the search, choose to save it with or without criteria, and you have the option to set it as your default. In choosing to save it with or without criteria, this means saving your search with or without data. For example, you could enter your state, counties, cities, and any other data that will most often stay the same when you utilize this template. Now that we've entered that data, go back to the Save Search button and select Save Search As. Name your search and be sure to leave the selection of Save Search Template with Criteria. Lastly, you will have the option to save the search or make it your default. Leaving the selection of Save This Residential Search means that this template becomes one of your many saved searches. Anytime you wish to use it, you will need to click Load Search and select it from your list of saved searches. Selecting Make This My Default means that, in this example, every time I open a new residential search template, this will be the template that loads. If you think this will be a field you use often, I recommend including it on your default template. Once you've finished making your selections, click Save. Next, let's review how to use the multiple address field. This field is a long gray bar, which means you can click anywhere in the field to open the pop-up. Here you can enter a specific address, such as 1 Birch, then click Add. You can also enter just a street name, which will return results for the entire street. In my example, I will obtain results for 1 Birch, as well as all listings in the database for Oak. When finished adding addresses, click Save in the top right corner. The selections will populate into the multiple address field. Now you can enter additional criteria or click Search to obtain your results. Thanks for watching this tutorial on searching by multiple addresses. For more tutorials, please visit the NARIN YouTube channel.